Before trying anything in Google Cloud, we should have a project setup. So I already got one setup, and its name is Magnetic Runway 167209, and I already have its service account credential downloaded from its server. So this is it. Let's verify it. So before proceeding with prediction or training jobs, we should have this one verified. This is successfully verified. So let's see what happens if this project name and its corresponding credential don't match. Let me first copy this. Okay, now let me verify it. This is just to show the error handling I have done. Yeah, it shows access to project denied. Okay, let me keep it back, and let me try this one, removing this. So if we try to verify, it is showing this key is missing. So let's keep let's keep this back. Yeah, it's all set. Let's see if it is accepted. Yeah, it's accepted. So let's proceed with prediction. um for predicting anything, we should have a model hosted in Google machine learning, deployed in Google machine learning engine server. um, let's see what are the models we already are having. List. If you refresh this, we are having this model Aloshi already hosted in Google server, machine learning engine server. Now let's use it for prediction. If you can see, I already run one prediction, and it is having a 98.2 percentage. um, Before that, in this we are going to predict a person's income category, whether it is less than 50k or it is greater than 50k. In this probabilities array, if you seen a watch keenly, we can see that we have two indices, one corresponding to 0 and one corresponding to 1. So the value corresponding to 0 is the probability of that person being into less than 50k, and the value corresponding to 1 is probability of that person being into greater than 50k value, greater k income category. So right now it's showing that person has a 98 percentage, 98.2 percentage probability of being into less than 50k category. So let me change this to see how this prediction changes. Their prediction. Yeah, right now it's showing if his age is less is 20, and all these attributes match, his probability is 99.6 percentage. So that's it with prediction. Let's want to creating jobs. Yeah, jobs or training jobs are created to train our model. For that, we should have a training code, a TensorFlow code. Then we should have our training and testing data in Google server. So right now it is hosted in Google. It is already there in Google Cloud server, and I am having its URL. But before my first evaluation, I will be importing these data to Drupal entities, and I will be using that for complete cycle of training, deployment, and also prediction. So uh, let's create a new job. Before that, let's see what are the jobs we are having. If you refresh, you can see we are having census 70 till 7039. Let's create a new job. 40, create job. Yeah, it's successfully created, and we got this response from Google server 7040. So let's list it. If you refresh this list, Yeah, we are having a new job created. It's actually cute. If you refresh it again, we can see its status is preparing. So let's try canceling that. Cancel. Yeah, we can see this census. This one is canceling. If you refresh again, it will get a little while to cancel that job. It's cancelled. So if we see our Google Machine Learning Engine console, Google Cloud Platform console, you can see a new job census 7040 is created, and this simple means it is cancelled. It's cancelled. Sorry. Yeah. Now let me show you the get method. It's just to get the attributes that job uh, JSON using just that job name. So we got this back. Its job ID is census 7040, and we can use cancel also. It also works in the same way. Now let's move to model. So model and version are two parts of deployment. It's like for a single model, you can create as many subversions as you need. For example, for creating census model, you can create version 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Any number of versions. Um, and for predicting a temperature of a particular place, you can create a temperature model, and under that you can create version 1, version 2, version 3, etc. So let's see our models. Before that, we had been using Aloshi for predicting till now. After that, in the coming video, by the end, I will be showing how to use a new model, Aloshi 3, to predict for prediction. So I have created this Aloshi. I am going to create this Aloshi 3 model. Let me create this model. It's getting created. Yeah, it's created. And let me see the list. Yeah, Aloshi 3 is created. Let me just to show you this delete. Let me delete this. Yeah, the model is now deleted, and if you refresh, you will get, yeah, you won't see that Aloshi 3 again. So let me create it again to show create model. Yeah, it's created, and if you use get Aloshi 3, you will get that response back. Meanwhile, let's see the models we are having in Google Cloud Platform. Yeah, we are having an Aloshi 3 created. Yeah, we got a response back. So it's Aloshi showing Aloshi 3. So now let's create a version. For creating a version, you should have um, after a training job, you will be getting some binaries stored in Google Cloud Server. So for creating a version, you should give its URL, deployment URL. So this is, let me show you this one. If I go to storage, cloud storage, also say out export server, this one is 877. Yeah, so we can see that we are seeing some saved model.pb file. So we need the URL to that. We can see that this path and this path match exactly. So this thing. So if we give this one, and if we give, and let me create a version 1 of this, hello sheet 3, create version. Yeah, we have created a version. So let me see what are the versions. Hello sheet version 3, hello sheet 3. Let me get that response back. Version was not version 1, sorry, hello sheet 3 version 1. Yeah, we got this one back, hello sheet 3 version 1. So if we see our console, let me see the console. Inside allow sheet 3, I have this version 1 created. So um, let's see, let's get prediction using this allow sheet 3. Let me use model name allow sheet 3, get prediction. Yeah, successfully got prediction. It's again showing 99.6%. So in this video I have shown you the complete steps of uh, creating credential, first setting up a project, then training a job, then uh, deploying a model, both creating model and creating its subversion, and also prediction.